power, I stack it just like a tower. Wet them up like a shower, like courage, that boy a coward. It's quiet in this room, smoking gas, it gon' make it louder. Stick in my shit be sour, leave him stuck for an hour. Ayy, booted off this perk like I'm addicted to the medical. Call me money bag, bitch, I'm an ape and I go federal. Counting all these commas, I don't really fuck with decimals. Baby hit me up, she tryna pull up big and sexual. Ayy, cause I got all these fucking bands.
What's up, ugly niggas? It's your boy, Huncho TJ, man. Y'all see by the title, bro. I told y'all I got now come with part 2, so I can. This gonna be like videos, like I actually got real proof of like what happened. You feel what I'm saying? Videos of real time and shit like that. You know why it was happening. Firefighter putting out all everything. You feel what I'm saying? Hey man, just like, comment, subscribe, hit that post notification bell so you won't miss an upload. You feel what I'm saying? I ain't trying to make the video too long, so hey, you feel what I'm saying? I'm gonna really try to go get right into this motherfucker. Okay, goddamn, it's part 2. I mean, if y'all didn't watch part 1, link will be in the description. You feel what I'm saying? Or yeah, I probably put a little tag right here. You know what I'm saying? But like I said, I told y'all, you feel what I'm saying? Really don't know how it happened. Like, the shit just happened. Told y'all I had came from the gym to my sister, do her stuff. Came home, chill about an hour and a half. Went to go get food. Went to KB house. Goddamn, sat at KB house for a while. Boom, fire. That's how it happened. Hey man, I'm just finna go and break it down. I'm gonna put the pictures and videos. Shit, there, goddamn it. Like as I'm gonna explain it, I'm gonna put a video or picture, whatever. Alright, so really, so I can show y'all the car was running good. It was having a good day out. This shit. This was about 2 hours and 30 minutes before it happened. I told y'all we just came from the gym. This video is after me. Well, you can see me, my sister DB Jizzle. This was after we had just left the gym. Well, we outside the gym. You feel what I'm saying? Here go this video right here. Let y'all like shit was going good. I ain't gay as hell. You know what I'm saying? And then got down. Boom, get the KB house, boom. And this is the actual videos now, where everything starts to unfold. I'm gonna throw these pictures up there and like it's really chronological order of the pictures. You feel what I'm saying? Alright, so you feel what I'm saying? Shout out to KB because he the one. He basically told me to record the shit, you know, document the shit just in case police report, YouTube, if anything. He said just document the shit. So I started recording. The fire was already in the air. You feel what I'm saying? I started recording. So this is where all these videos come from now. You feel what I'm saying? I'm gonna tell y'all where this angle came from. Where these first 2 videos, where the angle came from. I had walked around because I thought it was gonna blow up. So I walked around and came like a front, and I started watching the shit from a far distance. Cause something did pop, by the way. I don't know what the fuck it was, but it ain't getting my motherfucking ass. I tell you that. It's the videos on like just gonna unravel. You feel what I'm saying? Yeah, watch the shit. This is some straight up bullshit, bro. Straight up bullshit. Worst day of my fucking life, bro. There's no way this shit cannot be real right now, bro. This shit cannot be fucking real right now. This shit cannot be. This shit cannot be fucking real. Wow. Alright, bro, so y'all can see the fire folks, fire dudes, fire marshal, fire niggas, just the fire guys, you feel what I'm saying? It was, you know, you see them putting them out and got down. Then they asked me a few questions, that's why I'm up there at the top now, like right next to the car. That's where this angle come from. This actually happened. Like, bro, there's no way this shit just actually fucking happened. And this next angle gonna be a longer clip, you feel what I'm saying? It's really just shit, me like giving y'all a close up, like the inside, everything, how messed up the stuff is. You feel what I'm saying? And then I also got a picture of the aftermath. There it go right there. This another angle. Well, shit. This is just another clip showing the aftermath. I guess I was talking. I don't even remember what I was talking about. There they go right there. Bruh, this shit is, that hoe completely fucked. This hoe is completely gone. I'm so fucking pissed off right now, bro.
Hey, y'all still see the smoke right there?
That shit wild. That shit wild. That shit wild. I just bought so much shit for this car, including the car, bro.
My favorite pair of shorts in this motherfucker. And then got nigga, I'm off the phone right now. I ain't recording off the camera or shit. I just want to go get me some goddamn food, bro. I gotta document this shit. The fuck? Why the niggas down with it? They got smaller, nigga.
Motherfucker shrink.
Yeah, I got damn
Man, that shit. Bro, I'm trying not to get mad, bro. I'm just trying to keep laughing so I don't get mad. Funny as hell.
This shit's so
Hey, bro.
that's a whole ass car, bro.
Shit crazy. Hey, I got an engine for sale though. You know what I'm saying? Might need to get all the goddamn gunk and goo off that motherfucker, boy. I got an engine for sale. I'm really just trying to be happy for a vlog, cause I'm mad than a motherfucker right now, boy. What the fuck you just say?
Little tired nigga, little bit red nigga, clutch to see that nigga, little star real ass nigga.
This shit wild as fuck, bro. God damn. Shit, I guess that was a big coincidence, huh? But I'm not opening this shit, boy.
That's so crazy. You live like park right there.
I was finna. I stopped right there and I was like, nah.
Yeah,
I got the goddamn Yeezys right there. I'm not putting them goddamn shoes on. My goddamn juicy.
she back outside, huh?
Old people always know it's in here. She'll never come outside. I got the motherfucker, my shorts, bro.
That was taking forever. That motherfucker with us.
Boy, the dashboard on that hoe gone. Bro, that shit wild. Man, shit I can do with them shit. And then boom, next day rolling around, I had to get that motherfucker towed. Police told me that motherfucker gotta go, so I had to tow that motherfucker. And that's the clip you see now. That shit wild. Sheesh.
You finna go.
That shit wild.
There's a lot of shit out in the hood. You never know.
Damn, boy.
You can tell this shit where he can put this shit right.
That's crazy. Just sucking that home. Damn, man. So I gotta come harder with the next joint. I shout out my boy, who that is.
Let's say weeks. Let's say weeks. Yep.
Weeks towing, you know what I'm saying? Shout out my boy, he fucked me on the goddamn price.
He charged $300.
Hey, hell nah, that hoe be still sitting here. I ain't gonna hold you. Damn. This shit crazy as hell, fam, and shit. Nothing I can do about it. Told y'all, bro. I didn't do anything. It's just the car fucked itself. But this in a video, man. Just like, comment, subscribe, hit that post notification so you won't miss an upload. You feel what I'm saying? I mean, like I said, it's a bad way to come back to YouTube, but I'm back, brother. You feel what I'm saying? And shit, I got some more for y'all to drop. You feel what I'm saying? I got more video for you to watch. It's not bullshit. You feel what I'm saying? Hey, man, like I said, like, comment, subscribe, hit that post notification so you won't miss an upload, man. And shit. It's hot as a motherfucker. God damn. But yeah, hey man, shit, I'm out. On the game.
That's all, folks.